this is disgusting. Like this is freaking gross. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. I hope you guys are doing great, and today's video is gonna be about the GS460 again, and we have more problems, guys. We have more problems. Let's get into it. I don't know why people do this. This is a $15 to $20 part from your Toyota, Lexus, or any auto parts. So let me show you what I discovered in here, because it's just it's nasty. So all Lexus and Toyota, their AC filter is located in here. So what you have to do is remove this piece right here, and I cleaned this. It was like dirty, so the other day I took my time in cleaning, and then I saw what's going on there. So this one right here, I have to remove it like this, and then this little door right here, you have to put it up like this. Come on, and then take this off. It's hard doing this with one hand. And then this is your AC filter in here. It looks like they haven't changed this in years, and this is disgusting. You see, it's upside down. So the freaking bastard who had this car, instead of replacing it, they reverse it upside down. So this thing, it's supposed to be like this. So they then wanna pay 15 to 20 bucks for an AC filter. They just reverse it like this, which is gross. As you can see, this is everything that's coming off this. This is disgusting. Like, this thing looks like it hasn't changed in years. And let me tell you, this is why when you buy used car, you don't just blast the AC in your face, because you put in the air, and then all that shit goes in your lungs and stuff like that. That's why this is disgusting. This is freaking gross. So let's change this real quick. It's not that hard, it's not that expensive to change this, and I believe that the last dude who had this car just had to reset it and make a profit. This is how I feel. And let's take this thing off, and it tells you this side, it's up right here. And we are going to reinstall this, and we are good. Now this is what was in there. So as you can see here, I have my tent out here because it's hot. It's hot and sunny here in Florida, so I need this. This right now is a lifesaver. So let's talk about the GS460. I believe maintenance wise, this car was kind of abused. Now the first owner was great, the second owner was great, the third owner was great with maintenance, and it's all in Texas, because originally this car was in Texas, and then the fourth owner, I guess, went to Texas and bought the car and brought it to Florida, and that's when maintenance started going down the hill. So maintenance with the fourth owner was okay, but the fifth owner, like, was even worse. Honestly, the guy that I bought this car from, I think he bought a car to reset it and make a profit. He bought it a year ago. For example, oil change, this car has 173,000 miles on it. The last oil change was at 165,000 miles. That's from the fourth owner, and he bought the car back in April 2023. Now we in September 2024, so we go in about a year and a half without oil change. That's not good. Even though I know today people saying that you can drive the car with the oil for 10,000 miles, that's not me. And with the oil leaks, you can tell this thing has been leaking for a while. Like if you look right here, in both sides, it seems like this thing has been leaking for a while. So anyways, I bought this maybe about 6 months ago. I didn't make a video on it, and I don't want to make a video on it because there are plenty videos about this on YouTube. So yesterday I decided to drive the car for a little bit, and then I gotta check engine light, and then I came home and put the car on the scanner tool, and the code was P0172. Now P0172 can be anything, and what I'm thinking is the air intake. If you look on the side right here, there's a crack right there, right here. This air intake, the way Lexus built them, there's an extra layer of filter right on top of this. It's not there, they cut that off. I know a lot of people do this, but me personally, I would leave it there. And then this isn't part of the problem, but look what happened here. I mean, how can you even plug this? Like, there's a clip right here, you press and remove. I don't know how this happened, but now I have to look for part number for this to replace it. Now the next thing that I'm thinking is the spark plug, because the code is P0172, system 1 and 2, which bank 1. So I'm thinking, since this thing has been leaking oil, maybe there's oil inside this spark plug there that we need to clean it. The next thing I'm thinking is the O2 sensors on bank 1. Maybe it's bad, and I was thinking about the mass airflow sensor as well. Maybe that needs to be cleaned. And then the worst case scenario is the fuel injector cylinder 1, and I'm really hoping that that's not the case, because those are expensive, and not only that it's expensive, but it's a long job as well. And then the next code that I'm getting is AFS. The AFS, I don't think the computer is plugged in at all, because what it's saying is that the ECU it's not recognize the computer. That means maybe they took the fuse off, or I don't know what they did, but I have to figure out what's going on. Another code that I'm getting is for ABS. Now I don't think there's anything wrong with the ABS system. It's just saying low or high voltage. I think that's just the sensor, and then the rest is just PTMS sensors, which is not bad. And then the next code that I have is for parking sensors, and I know that 2 of them in the back, they're not working, and I think these 2 aren't working either. Another problem I have with this car is the hood. When they installed the hood, because the car was in a crash, the hood is not aligned. It's just pushed too far back. You can't even move these up, the wipers, and then when you close the hood, it's hitting all the way up here. And as you can see here, it's not, the struts, they're bad, and I bought these off Amazon and they're not working. I installed them, the hoods keep falling down. I don't know if these were defected, or I don't know if it's because the hood is not aligned properly. Maybe there's something wrong here, so I have to find out. As you can see here, I'm still using this bar right here just to hold it. So that's something that I have to fix to make sure that the hood sit properly. And maybe I'll just buy OEM. I didn't want to spend $80 on OEM struts, but if these doesn't work, I'll just give OEM a try and see what's going on. So this is where we are right now. All these codes, I need to fix them, and I have to fix this leak, and I have to make sure that we don't have any valid plate leak as well. So this is just an update on the car, what's going on and what I'm going to fix. I feel like every day I find more things that are wrong with the car that I need to fix. All right guys, I hope you guys have a good morning, good afternoon, good night, and I will see you guys in the next one.